Good morning everyone. My name is Diana Rosa Agustina. My student number is 87 from the English Education Department, Faculty of Education and Teacher Training UIN Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten. Today, I would like to present my research proposal and the title is Teacher Dominance in Speaking Learning, the Implementation of Interactive Speaking Activities in CLT to Improve Student Interaction and FTK UIN Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten. First, I would like to explain about introduction of this study. Do you know guys, speaking is one of the most important skill in learning English. Why? Because it allows students to communicate their ideas, their opinions, and feeling actively. However, in many speaking class, students are still passive because classroom communication is often dominated by the teacher. Students usually spend more time listening and speaking. As the result, they have limited opportunities to practice English and interact with others. Therefore, this study proposed the implementation of communicative language teaching or CLT through interactive speaking activities. This approach expects to reduce teacher dominance and improve their interaction in speaking class. Next, I will explain about theoretical framework of this study. The first concept is teacher dominance. Teacher dominance refers to a teacher-centered learning environment where the teacher controls most classroom communication and activities. Because of this situation, students often have limited opportunities to participate actively. The second concept is communicative language teaching or CLT. CLT is a student-centered teaching method that focuses on meaningful communication. In this approach, the teacher acts as a facilitator while student becomes active participant in the learning process. And the third concept is interactive speaking activities. These activities include firework, group discussion, and then the role play. Through these activities, students can practice speaking English more frequently, communicating with their classmates, and become more confident in expressing their idea. And the final concept is student interaction. Student interaction can be seen through activities, participant, communication among students, and interested confident in speaking English. They are important because indicator of successful speaking learning. Now I will explain about the research objectives. This study has 3 objectives. The first objective is to identify teacher dominance in speaking learning, and the second objective is to describe the implementation of interactive speaking activities in CLT. And the third objective is to analyzing how CLT can improve students' instruction in speaking classes. So, next I will explain about research methodology. This study uses a qualitative descriptive research design because it aims to explore and describe classroom phenomena in depth. The research will be conducted at FTK UIN Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin Banten, and the participants of this study are lecturers and then the students involved in speaking classes. How to collect the data? To collect the data, the researchers will use 3 techniques. The first technique is observation, to observe classroom activities directly, and the second technique is interview to obtain detailed information from the lecturer and students, and the last is documentation to collect supporting data related to the research. And for data analysis, this study used the Mills and Homer model, which is the consist of the 3 stages. The first is data reduction, data display, and the conclusion drawing and verification. And then finally guys, I would like to explain the expected outcomes of this study. So the implementation of interactive speaking activity in CLT, this study is expected to reduce teacher dominance, class interact student participant, and then improve classroom interaction, and create a more communicative learning environment. So, in conclusion, this research focus on how interactive speaking activities in communicative language teaching and can help students to become more active participants in speaking class. I hope this study can contribute to